Hi everybody, I'm back. What I'm working on now is me and Bob here, Minion Bob. So I posted something on Facebook about my capacitor charging experiment. I got various volts, the amount of time, 36 seconds it took, the circuit I was using to get to 12 volts. 1 minute, 3 seconds for 20 volts, and so on and so forth, all the way down to 100 volts. These are the various amperage that I got in the discharge. Now what I'm showing is, or what I'm attempting to show, is I actually now have, well, let me get my light. I actually now have 3 rods, 1 bridge rectifier, and we are still at power factor of 1, which I will show y'all here in a minute. That was my phone, disregard it. So what I'm going to do is I want to show you real quick with my stopwatch on my phone. See, stopwatch. I'm going to turn it on and we're going to wait 36 seconds. Now this is just residual charge in the cap, close enough to 0 volts. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to show you what the voltage goes up to in 36 seconds with 3 rods. Now, real quick here, I want to show my settings. 20 volt, 0 amps, 0 watts, power factor of 1. Now, I actually forgot to hit my stopwatch, but it's alright, because in 36 seconds, this actually climbs up to almost 50 volts. In my prior experiment, 50 volts was at almost, at 3 minutes. 2 minutes, 59 seconds, and 76 milliseconds? I don't know what that is. Seconds. So 3 rods here. These rods are made of 3/16 brass, and they're 3 feet long. The wiring on it I just got out of the coils in an old television. Various gauges. I mean, nothing special here, guys. And that's all I did. I just went to Lowe's and got these rods. There is a layer of insulation tape on the rod, and then the coil is wound. This circuit is available for free online. But, I mean, we're charging up to 100 volts here. I'd like to be able to show you the amount of amperage we get in this discharge, which I hope to do here in a minute. I'm going to let this climb to 100 volts. And, well, we will work on getting... I'm actually going to shut the circuit off because I don't have enough alligator clips to discharge like I want to show on the amp meter. So just please bear with me with that. So we're going to let her climb. I'm actually going to shut it off at 101 because that'll give me time to let the voltage drop down to 100. So what we're going to do is I've disconnected the circuit. That cap is going to bleed off as it would, normally. So bear with me for just a minute. I'm going to set you down. What I'm doing is I'm wiring up my analog amp meter, and we're going to stick it across the 100.4 capacitor. And hopefully here I can get you guys a amperage reading. So we're at 100 volts, and while that bulb is in the way, my camera is not okay. You should be able to see that for the most part. Alright. This is getting kind of retarded. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're still at a power factor of 1. The only thing I was showing in this video is with 3 rods, I'm climbing in my voltage very quickly. So that's promising. That means I'll probably get more rods and keep doing it and keep building it up until I can charge a cap like that and discharge it. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave it in the comment. I will post a link in the description where I got this circuit. It's actually in a PDF, chapter 3, but all that nonsense, I will post a link in the description. As you can see, the cap is still charging. So that's all I got, guys. Ethan off, and thanks, Bob, for helping me. Minion Bob. Louis the Science Cat is not around. He's being a dick. Bye-bye.